Hey guys, welcome back to another Unreal Engine 4 tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a simple inventory system. Let's get into it. Let's start off by going to user interface and select our widget blueprint, and we'll call this inventory. We'll open this up, and in here I'm going to insert a blur, background blur. Just drag that in. Make this position 0 on both the X and Y. And for size we'll do 1920 by 1080. And we will anchor that to full screen. Now down here in where it says appearance and blur strength, we're just going to drag that up a little bit. Just do 10, compile and save. Now back over here on our search palette, we're going to search for a text, drag that in, and down here that's locked it into our blur screen, so we're going to grab our text block and drag and drop it to our canvas panel. This way we can resize it, move it around. Call this inventory. And then let's play around with the size of this. Drag it. And remember, when we're playing around with this, we want to anchor it whenever we move a text or image or anything like that. So anchor that to the top. Position that a bit better. And then now we can add things like if you add images from certain items, we could do an image. Drag that onto your canvas panel, resize that, and then we can just copy these a couple of times. Oh, we will duplicate that. So that's basically it for that bit. You can set it up however you like. Now we will close this, open up our third person character blueprint or first person, whatever you're using, and in here we'll actually go to our edit tab, go to project settings and navigate to input and click the drop down arrow for action mappings. We're going to add a new one. We're going to call this inventory. And we will set that to be the tab key. And then we can just close that down. And now in here just find empty space. Right click, search for inventory. And then you should see the action event pop up. Now, what we want to do is when we press the tab key, is we drag out and create widget. Select the widget we made, the inventory widget, and then from return value add to viewport. Now this will allow us to open our inventory. What we want to do is be able to open and close it. So, and also when we have it open, we're going to have it show our mouse cursor. So to do that, we're going to drag this back. We're going to drag out from pressed and search for flip-flop. Drag this one back a bit. And then from the return value here, we're going to remove from parent, and we're going to connect our B to this. Now we're going to search for get player controller, and then from our return value we're going to set show mouse cursor. I'm going to copy that, paste it, make sure you connect that to the target, and with the top one we will tick that to be true, and we'll leave the bottom one unticked and connect it to the remove from parent. And that should be everything we need. Now if we compile, save, jump into the game, we'll press tab, and that should open up our inventory, and we have our mouse on screen. And you see our blur screen in the back has blurred out the game behind us, so we can focus a little bit easier on the inventory. If we press tab again, straight back out, click, and we're back in the game. And that's about it for that one, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, remember, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.